Forget everything you knew about speed. This is the Rimac Nevera, and it's redefining hypercars. Built in Croatia, this all-electric beast boasts over 1,900 horsepower. It rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 2 seconds, faster than an F1 car. For independent electric motors, one for each wheel, it offers unparalleled control and mind-bending acceleration. The Nevera isn't just fast. It's a technological marvel, pushing the boundaries of what electric vehicles can do. This isn't just the future, it's here now. The Rimac Nevera, the electric hypercar changing the game. Subscribe for more insane car facts.